I'm riding on the back of a pickup truck, Ford F-250, and just cruising through the mountains. It's pretty awesome just riding back here, hanging out, looking at the view. Figured it would be a good spot to get video. Hope you all have a good Easter. Mine's going pretty decent. Lester. That's a nice house. Probably doesn't look like it in the videos, but these mountains are high. I think we're at over 10,000 for sure. I think these mountains go up to like 12 or 11 up in there. Ski slope. It's not, but it looks like you sure could, huh? Maybe somebody could. I couldn't. Look at that. I hope this turns out decent because I'm not going to edit it. I'm just going to upload. Thought some of you might want to go for a ride with me though. It's nice out here. This is the town of Jasper, historic mining town. If there's a lot of wind noise, I'll just cut it. Put audio or something, some music. Hopefully it won't be too bad. Looks like the road's closed ahead. Still a lot of snow up here. Easter. That's it.